In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format dates and numbers in Retool. We'll walk through a quick build so you can see exactly where date formatting lives and how to make it work for your app. Start by heading to retool.com and sign in. Once you're on the Retool dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for building anything new. Click Create and then choose App so you land on a fresh canvas with the editor open. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Components panel. If it's collapsed, click the plus icon to open the library. This is where you'll find every UI piece you can add to your app. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Date. You'll see the Date or Date Picker component appear. Drag that component onto the canvas and place it wherever you like. Don't worry too much about exact positioning right now. You can always adjust layout later. With the Date component selected on the canvas, look to the right-hand inspector panel. This is where all of the settings live for whatever you've selected. Find the Format section. This is the key to controlling how your date is displayed to users. You can typically choose from common presets like year, month, day, or month, day, year. And you can also customize the format to match your team's standards or your users' expectations. For example, if your audience is international, an ISO-style format like 2026-0211 can reduce ambiguity. If your app is US-focused, a style like 0211202026 may feel more familiar. Keep in mind that display format is separate from how you store dates in your database, so you can show a friendly version to users while keeping a standard format under the hood. A few quick tips as you set this up. Be consistent. Use the same format across all date fields in your app to avoid confusion. Add a clear label or helper text if the format might be unfamiliar to your users. If you're working with time zones, make sure your data source and your component agree on UTC versus local time, and test with a few sample values to confirm everything looks right. When you interact with the component, you'll see your chosen format applied instantly, which makes it easy to iterate. While today's build focuses on dates, the same idea applies to numbers in Retool. When you select a number-related component, look for its format or value format settings in the right panel to control decimals, separators, or currency. And that's it. You've created a simple app, added a date component, and customized its display format so your users see exactly what you intend.